Let me remind you of something powerful. You are not hard to love. You're just learning to love yourself. Self-love isn't about bubble baths and candles. It's boundaries. It's walking away from what breaks you, even when it hurts. It's looking in the mirror and saying, I'm enough, even when I don't feel like it. You don't have to earn your worth. It's already within. You're not here to shrink to make others comfortable. You're here to bloom fully, boldly, beautifully. So today, choose you. Say it with me. I am worthy. I am love. I am enough.